Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your go-to destination for making every corner of your home absolutely stunning. I'm so excited you're here today because we're about to take the most magical journey through a Magnolia-inspired farmhouse Christmas home tour that'll have you feeling all the cozy holiday vibes. If you love farmhouse charm mixed with festive elegance, you're in for such a treat. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of our upcoming holiday content. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite farmhouse Christmas element. Let's start with that stunning farmhouse facade that immediately says welcome home with its Christmas charm. The key to achieving this Magnolia-inspired look is layering natural textures with subtle festive elements. Think weathered with siding painted in classic white or soft sage green, complemented by black window trim for that signature contrast. Add oversized wreaths with eucalyptus and white berries on double front doors, and string warm white lights along the roofline. The secret ingredient, galvanized metal planters filled with evergreen branches and red velvet ribbons, create the perfect balance between rustic authenticity and holiday sophistication. Step into this breathtaking entryway where function meets farmhouse festivity. The foundation starts with shiplap walls painted in warm cream, creating that signature magnolia backdrop. Install a rustic wooden bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage, while vintage-inspired hooks hold coats and hats with holiday flair. A large round mirror with a distressed wood frame reflects the space beautifully. And don't forget that crucial doormat. Choose one with subtle holiday messaging in classic fonts. Complete the look with a console table displaying a wooden ball for keys, topped with miniature Christmas trees and battery-operated fairy lights for that magical glow. This living room embodies everything we love about farmhouse Christmas elegance. The neutral foundation of linen sofas and reclaimed wood coffee tables creates the perfect canvas for layering holiday textures. Think chunky knit throws in cream and sage, paired with plaid pillows in muted reds and greens. The mantelpiece becomes your focal point. Style it with garland, white candles in varying heights, and vintage-inspired ornaments. A large basket filled with birch logs adds authentic farmhouse charm while serving a practical purpose. The key is maintaining the collected over time aesthetic while incorporating just enough sparkle to feel truly festive without overwhelming the space's natural beauty. Transform your dining space into a Christmas masterpiece worthy of Joanna Gaines herself. Start with that beautiful farmhouse table. Whether it's reclaimed wood or painted in classic white, the table runner becomes your foundation. Choose burlap or linen in neutral tones, then layer with eucalyptus garland interwoven with fairy lights. Mix and match vintage-inspired dinnerware with modern white plates for that perfectly imperfect farmhouse aesthetic. Candles are absolutely essential. Use pillar candles in glass hurricanes of varying heights. Don't forget those charming details like mini chalkboard place cards and cloth napkins tied with twine and small sprigs of rosemary for a fresh, aromatic touch. The heart of every farmhouse home deserves special Christmas attention. Start with your cabinets. If they're white, add subtle garland along the upper cabinet edges. Open shelving becomes your display opportunity. Range white dishes with small potted herbs like rosemary and thyme for that fresh, aromatic element. The refrigerator can showcase a beautiful wreath, while your stove area gets decorated with a garland backdrop. That precious coffee station needs love too. Range mugs on a wooden tray with cinnamon sticks and star anise for natural decoration. Counter space gets styled with wooden cutting boards displaying small Christmas trees, and mason jars filled with cranberries add that perfect pop of festive color. This family room perfectly captures the hygge feeling we all crave during the holidays. Built-in shelving gets the Christmas treatment with carefully curated displays, Mix books with small decorative trees, white ceramic houses, and battery-operated candles for safe ambience. The flat-screen TV area incorporates a reclaimed wood console styled with garland and vintage-inspired lanterns. Seating arrangements focus on comfort with oversized sectionals in neutral linen, layered with textured throw pillows and the softest blankets. A large area rug and jute or wool grounds the space, while a rustic coffee table holds wooden trays filled with pinnacones, nuts, and small battery candles for that perfect evening glow. Even our workspaces deserve that Christmas farmhouse treatment. This compact office area proves you can maintain productivity while embracing holiday charm. The small desk, preferably in reclaimed wood or painted white, gets minimal but impactful decoration. A vintage-inspired small radio adds character while providing holiday music for productivity. The unique desk clock becomes a conversation piece. Choose something with metal and wood elements. Above the desk, floating shelves display a mix of office supplies in beautiful containers alongside small Christmas decorations. The key is restraint. You want inspiration without distraction. A small succulent in a galvanized pod and one perfectly placed battery candle create the ideal working holiday atmosphere. Create the ultimate cozy corner where Christmas magic meets literary escape. This reading nook embodies everything peaceful about farmhouse design during the holidays. Start with a comfortable armchair in soft linen or distressed leather, paired with a vintage-inspired side table for your hot cocoa. Window treatments in natural linen filter light beautifully while maintaining privacy. A small basket holds your current reads alongside a soft throw blanket in cream or sage. The lighting is crucial. A table lamp with a linen shade provides perfect reading light, while battery candles add ambience. Complete the space with a small area rug, a wooden stool for extra book storage, and one statement piece like a small decorative tree or vintage lantern. The master bedroom should feel like a peaceful retreat with just touches of holiday magic. Keep the color palette soft and neutral. Think whites, creams, and the gentlest sage greens. The bed becomes your focal point with layers of texture, linen duvet covers, chunky knit-throughs, and a mix of pillow sizes in complementary neutral tones. Nightstands get minimal styling with small battery candles, a sprig of eucalyptus in a simple glass vase, and perhaps one small decorative element like a white ceramic tree. Window treatments remain simple with natural linen curtains, and a cozy reading chair in the corner gets dressed with a soft throw and small pillow for those peaceful Christmas morning moments. Make your guests feel incredibly welcomed with thoughtful Christmas farmhouse touches. This space balances comfort with festive charm through carefully chosen details. The bed linens stay neutral but luxurious. Think soft whites and creams with one plaid accent pillow or throw. A vintage-inspired wooden bench at the foot of the bed provides seating and luggage space while displaying a folded quilt. The dresser gets styled with a simple garland, small battery candles, and a welcome note in a beautiful frame. Don't forget practical touches like extra blankets in a woven basket, a small water carafe with glasses, and that special detail, a small gift or treat that shows your thoughtfulness during the holiday season. Transform the kids' room into a Christmas wonderland that maintains farmhouse charm while embracing childhood magic. Safety is paramount, so battery-operated fairy lights create sparkle without worry. Wooden toy bins get decorated with simple ribbon bows, while shelving displays a mix of beloved toys and small holiday decorations. The bed gets special treatment with festive bedding in soft patterns. Think gingham or subtle plaids in muted colors. A growth chart designed like a Christmas tree becomes both functional and decorative. Create a special reading corner with floor cushions, a basket of holiday books, and a small tent or teepee decorated with battery lights for those magical story moments. Even your bathroom can embrace farmhouse Christmas elegance. Start with your vanity area. Style the counter with a small tray holding holiday hand soap in beautiful dispensers, soft hand towels with subtle patterns, and a small battery candle for ambience. The shower area gets attention too. Hang eucalyptus branches from the shower head for a spa-like aromatherapy experience. Mirrors can be adorned with small garland corners, and open shelving displays rolled towels alongside small decorative elements like pin cones or battery candles. Keep it practical but beautiful. Think about scents, textures, and that feeling of luxury during your daily routines. A small stool holds extra linens while serving as a surface for seasonal elements. This small powder room proves that every space can embrace the farmhouse Christmas spirit. With limited square footage, every detail must work harder. The vanity gets a beautiful soap dispenser, a small vase with one perfect stem of greenery, and a folded hand towel with seasonal pattern. Above the toilet, floating shelves hold necessities alongside one small decorative element, perhaps a tiny succulent in a galvanized pot. The mirror area can handle small garland corners or battery-operated fairy lights for gentle ambience. Don't forget the scent. A reed diffuser with pine or vanilla creates the holiday atmosphere. The key is choosing pieces that serve dual purposes while maintaining that collected, authentic farmhouse aesthetic. Who says laundry rooms can't be beautiful during the holidays? This hard-working space deserves farmhouse Christmas love too. Open shelving above your machines displays beautiful storage baskets alongside small holiday touches like battery candles or small potted herbs. The counter space, if you're lucky enough to have it, gets styled with pretty soap dispensers, a wooden cutting board displaying small decorative trees, and a tray for organizing smaller items. Hang a small wreath or garland along the upper cabinets. And don't forget about scent. Holiday scented laundry products or a small reed diffuser makes doing laundry feel more festive. The goal is maintaining functionality while adding those special touches that make everyday tasks more enjoyable. Yes, even the garage can embrace farmhouse Christmas charm. This space often becomes extended living during holiday preparations. So why not make it beautiful? String warm white lights along the ceiling beams for better visibility and ambience. Pegboards for tool storage can incorporate small wreaths or garland sections. Workbenches get organized with galvanized containers for supplies, and a small battery radio provides holiday music during projects. If you use the space for gift wrapping, create a dedicated station with a folding table, beautiful storage for wrapping supplies in woven baskets, and good lighting. The key is organization with style. Every functional element can have farmhouse charm while maintaining its practical purpose. The front porch sets the tone for your entire home's holiday presentation. Layered textures and heights for visual interest. Start with matching planters filled with evergreen arrangements and battery lights for evening sparkle. Rocking chairs or a porch swing get dressed with weather-resistant cushions in holiday patterns and cozy throws. A vintage-inspired lantern collection in varying sizes creates beautiful ambience, while a wooden sign with holiday messaging adds that personal touch. Don't forget practical elements like a beautiful doormat and a basket for packages. The key is creating a space that looks intentional and collected, not store-bought perfect. Natural elements like pin cones, berries, and fresh greenery should dominate over artificial decorations. Transform your back patio into an extension of your farmhouse Christmas decor for those mild holiday days. Weather-resistant furniture, antique, or painted metal gets styled with outdoor cushions and throws that can handle the elements. String lights overhead create magical ambience for evening gatherings, while outdoor lanterns provide practical lighting. A weatherproof storage bench holds extra blankets and serves as additional seating when needed. If you have space, An outdoor console table displays battery candles and glass hurricanes and evergreen arrangements that can handle weather changes. The fire pit area, if you have one, becomes a natural gathering spot. Style it with outdoor safe seating and a basket of firewood decorated with a simple bow. Even your garden shed can participate in the Farmhouse Christmas celebration. This often overlooked space has huge potential for charm. String battery-operated lights along the interior ceiling beams for safe illumination. Organize tools on pegboards that incorporate small wreaths or garland sections. Storage shelves get beautiful containers, galvanized buckets, and woven baskets that serve practical purposes while looking intentional. A small work surface can hold a battery radio for music during garden tasks. And don't forget a small stool or chair for taking breaks. If your shed has windows, add simple curtains in burlap or linen for privacy and style. The goal is creating a space that feels like an extension of your home's aesthetic, not just pure utility. The final element of successful farmhouse Christmas decorating is thoughtful storage that maintains your home's aesthetic year-round. Beautiful wooden crates and woven baskets serve double duty. Gorgeous during the holidays when filled with decorations, practical for storage when the season ends. Understairs spaces get organized with labeled containers that look intentional, not utilitarian. Closets use matching storage boxes that stack beautifully and make finding decorations next year a joy rather than a chore. The key is investing in storage solutions that enhance your home's beauty even when they're doing the hard work of organization. Choose pieces that could display openly in your living spaces. That's how you know they're worthy of your farmhouse aesthetic. What an incredible journey we've taken together through this Magnolia-inspired farmhouse Christmas home. Remember, the most beautiful farmhouse spaces feel collected over time, not purchased all at once. Start with one room. Focus on natural textures, neutral colors with subtle pops of traditional Christmas elements, and always prioritize comfort alongside beauty. The magic happens in the layering, combining practical pieces with sentimental touches, mixing vintage finds with new purchases, and creating spaces that invite people to stay a while. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Give this video a big thumbs up if it sparked your creativity, and comment below with your favorite farmhouse Christmas idea. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love. Happy decorating, beautiful people.